What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we have a laser level. As you know, on the channel I have a few laser levels that I've reviewed. I will try to link them all together, but right now we are going to go over this one. So let's go ahead and get into it. All right, we have foam, cardboard. We have a cool carrying case. We have the metal bracket. All right, you guys, so this is the housing for it. When you want to hook it up, so you hook it up there and then righty-tighty on the bottom and you hook it up. This is pretty cool, you guys. I actually like this one. This is pretty cool. Now, if you on a construction site and let's say you're using steel studs, let's say you're using the steel studs and you want to hook it up, of course, this will hook up to the steel. If you don't have steel, they give you a metal plate here. You screw this metal plate up and almost snapped my finger. But there you go. So you hook this up, you screw your metal plate up, and then you hook this up. And we have another amazing thing here. We actually get a tripod with this, you guys. This is different because the other ones, I did not get a tripod. This one, you get a tripod. As a matter of fact, I will take a tripod over the extra accessories that came with the other stuff, okay? I might actually do a lineup so y'all can see the difference and all of that. So I might do that maybe later on this week so y'all can see the different lasers and stuff like that. Now this laser says it goes up to 100 foot, but within my house, I think the longest I have is about 50 to 60 foot as far as length goes. So I can't really test out 100 foot for y'all, sorry. All right, so this is very nice, you guys. This tripod is very nice. It's very durable. This is a good tripod. I think I might want to use this for my camera. But this is a good tripod, you guys. So you turn here and it should loosen it. Let's see. Okay, there you go. So you go out there, you go out here. So you wind up right there. All right, so you squeeze down, and there you go. And when you want to come out, you flip, slide, flip, slide, flip, slide. All right, nice, simple. You lock, lock, lock. Is this the height that you get? Let me see. Do you go higher than that? Okay, so you got the neck right here. Let's see if you go higher. I just want to see the height of this thing, you guys. All right. Flip, 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 lock. I'm about to let y'all know the height of this tripod. The cool thing about this, you have a leveling ball here. All right, and not only that, you have a leveling ball right here. So you have two different levels. One level is for the floor to see if you're on a crooked floor, and then the other level is for your laser level. You have 4 foot as far as the height of here. I still rather take the tripod over the extra accessories. So usually with these laser levels, it comes with 50,000 accessories. And the accessories is to get like really precise. But I don't need to get that precise, you guys. We're DIYers here, okay? Regular DIYers, that's all. Now, if you want to get a little bit higher, this is your best bet right here, okay? If you want to get a little bit higher, you can simply take this off and then you can screw this up right here on wood and you can go up a little bit higher. All right. And not only that, you can have multiple different thread hookups in the back. Well, not the back, the bottom. So these are other thread hookups right here. Well, the other thread hookup. All right, this is the normal thread right there when you hook it onto a tripod. So if I want to hook it up to the tripod, you got to hit this, not a button, but you hit this latch right here. Once you bend this latch back, you can take this off. And then you can hook the bottom up right here if you want to, or you can go straight on to your leveler. So we're gonna go straight on to the leveler. All right, place it in, pull the latch back, pull the latch in, and we are absolutely on. All right, you guys, so like I told y'all, this thing can shoot out to 100 foot. So we probably have like 60 foot to work with. So that's all I have to work with, you guys. Sorry. Now what we're gonna do is turn it on. So I believe this is on. I should have made sure that I put the battery in. Let's see. Okay, yeah. All right, so not 2 batteries on this. Let me knock this out the way. I should have made sure of this first. All right, so we're gonna flip this down right here on the bottom, and we only get 1 battery. So we're gonna place this in. Got 2 notches right there. I'm gonna turn it on. Now you have a hazard light here. Now, as you know, or well, you probably don't know. For the people that don't know, when you're not leveled, this thing goes off like this. This is what happens when you're not leveled. But when you level, and let's see. I kind of put this the wrong way. Wrong way. Okay, so when you're leveled, the light actually stays solid. But when you're not leveled like this, then it starts blinking. This is what I love about this. All right, you guys, so the button on the left is your brightness. Now, I don't really see no difference in the brightness, but I will probably never use that, okay? Now, as you know, the one in the middle is vertical and horizontal. But another interesting one we have is one all the way on the right, and that is actually a laser pointer. So let me show y'all. So the one that's all the way on the right is a laser pointer. That's pretty cool. It didn't even mention that in the profile, but that's pretty cool. Or if it did mention, I didn't really see it. So okay, you guys, so let's say you want to work on your steps, all right? Your stairs, you know, going up and down the stairs. Let's say you putting trim down, you measuring, or I don't know what you're doing, all right? Maybe you're installing steps or doing something measurement-wise. You need a laser level to be in an angle. Now, right now is on the hazard mode where it self levels, right? It senses itself. Now, if you want to be on manual mode, you have to turn it off. Once you turn it off, you have to hold the power button. You hold the power button in the middle, hold it, and there you go. All right. So this is for when you working on steps, because remember, steps are not leveled. Steps are going in an angle. So you need your angle right here. And that's about it, you guys. You do get your charger wire, USB Type-C, to charge up your battery. But if y'all have any other questions, this is basic, you guys. This is so simple. It's not all high tech and all of that. It's very nice and simple. Yes, you do get 1 battery, but you're paying at a good price. So what can you say? If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.